Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to edit your video when it's uploaded already to YouTube. So first, of course, you have to open up your YouTube channel and then go to YouTube Beta and select videos. Then pick which video you want to edit. Let's say I want to go to my live streaming that I did. So let's go and click. Let's say I want to edit this one, the gaming one that I have. Then of course go to editor, click that, and then here as you can see this is your whole video. You can actually uh, blur it if for example you're trying to blur someone in the video, but right now we're not gonna blur anybody because this is a gaming one, so it's mostly me, but that's how you blur someone. And then you'll just have to go add blur. And there you can actually custom it or blur everyone's faces. And then soon as you're done doing that one, then it will you will click save, and then you should be good. So here this is where you can cut. You can actually cut your video according to your likes. For example, you don't like the starting of your live streaming or in that video, you can like customize it here. So like let's say for me, I just want to do the beginning, but I don't want, because the title of this video it is dungeon finder, so I wanna like put like until I found the dungeon and then stop it. So I just need to find until when was that, and I'm just gonna do the timings here. So here, soon as like here, so soon as we pick until when we're gonna cut it, then you have to click that one there and then drag this blue line here for the trimmer. So see, and then soon as it's done, you click trim, and then save. You can actually add music here as well. So there's a lot of music here just in case you'll get copyrighted or you want to replace the music, that background music, because you don't like it. You can actually do it from here, and then you'll just have to add it, and then of course you can drag and drag it wherever you want to put that music that you're adding. And then as soon as you're done, you could save it. Then there, click save. And then today we're not gonna be replacing my music because that's a gaming one and I'm good with it. So everything's good, save. So we'll have to go back here in a few hours later. It usually takes at least hour, or sometimes it takes 1 day. So hour to 24 hours depending on the video. So I hope you learned something today, and if you have any questions, just let me know and leave a comment below. And of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye.